If you're not tasting Jamaican food, you don't know the tingo. You don't know the tingo. If you're not tasting Jamaican food, man, try it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are nyam curry goat with my sister. Yeah? Our picnic. The food is ready?
Mr. Okay, and Mr. It's my elephant man.
Yo man, Wagwan me family. You know, so right now I'm with my sister and we wanna go to a Jamaican restaurant, you know, because we wanna go and take some dinner there. Like we wanna go and nyam. Yeah, we're gonna go and nyam some food. Yeah, help me that my cape.
Okay.
Give me my Jamaican cape, man. Give me because
Representing.
now you know I'm in
Food
fact
attire.
you see we're going to this restaurant.
Okay, the vegan Jamaican restaurant.
Yeah, they gave me a cape. The vegan
Jamaican. Only vegan food?
It's called the vegan Jamaican restaurant. They serve vegan food, all types of Jamaican food.
Okay.
Yeah, so vegan Jamaican restaurant is just a name. Yeah. So Kalina, my sister, just wanna, you know.
Introduce myself.
Yeah, let me.
Hello everyone, my name is Kalina. To those who don't know me, and this is how I look.
Yeah, use the microphone.
Okay.
No, it's okay. Just go ahead.
So hi guys, my name is Kalina. To those who are new to this channel, welcome and thank you so much for subscribing. So today my brother is taking me to eat Jamaican food in a Jamaican restaurant. I've had Jamaican food before, but I've never been to a Jamaican restaurant. So it's such a great honor and a great pleasure. I can't wait to see what the restaurant holds for us. So we are welcoming you to come with us in this wonderful and amazing journey.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So at that time I bought you oxtail and today
Yes.
I want to go and try goat curry. Yeah, the vibe. Goat curry.
Yes.
And maybe rice and peas. So that's what we're gonna take for.
Rice and peas is the same as rice and beans.
Yeah, the ones that you took at that time.
Okay.
Yeah. And there's a time you asked about we had some small beans and bigger
Yes,
beans. Yeah.
yes, I remember.
And
by
they
the
responded.
way. Yes.
Yeah. So there is a reason as to why we've got the smaller beans and the bigger beans. So are you excited?
I'm very much excited. As you can see, the energy is at 100. And so, guys, today be prepared because I'm going to ask you a lot of questions. And make sure you answer me in the comment section. So be prepared and be ready. I'm going to ask you like 1 million questions. And just be patient with me. And please answer me diligently and kindly. I know you guys are kind, just like me. Yes.
All right. So we're almost leaving. And I know you love dancing and you know Caribbean people got moves. The other time you gave us Gully Creeper move. Do you have any moves you want to give us before we leave?
No, I wanted to give you Gully Creeper again. That's my favorite.
All right, so let me take you up. Let's go.
Let's go. Mr. Okay, and Mr. It's my elephant man.
And
yes.
process, we are hustle.
We are Portmore. We are hustle. We are hustle.
Ladies and gentlemen, so we are moving out and we're gonna have some, dinner in a Jamaican restaurant with my sister.
Yes.
And I'm taking her out to just go and try, a Jamaican dish. The other time she did, it was oxtail that I bought.
It was amazing.
It was amazing.
Very much.
So you liked it?
I loved it.
All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are leaving, and my sister and I. She's called Kalina.
Yeah.
I know you know her.
Yes.
And, me with my cape and my jersey, definitely. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are leaving, and maybe I'm not gonna film on the road because it's night, right? There's a lot of darkness.
Yeah.
All right. So, the next film will be maybe if I'm in that restaurant, but we don't know if there is something to film on the road.
We might give you a glimpse.
We might give you
a glimpse of it.
So if I say what's under me mouth, what's under me nose, you say I'm out, okay?
Okay.
What's under me nose?
I'm out. And we are out.
Right.
Bye-bye.
All right. Yeah, man. Family. Yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, we've just arrived at the Jamaican restaurant.
We are here.
We are here. It's the newly opened. I was here the day they were opening, that night. But I've never tasted food here. So I've decided to just come and, nyam some food. What are you saying?
I can't wait to eat it. I can't wait. I don't even have much to say because I'm currently so hungry. And here we want
And our brother is over here. Say something, man. We've come to pay you a visit.
Yeah, man. I
To
really
taste some.
appreciate.
Yeah, man. I'm listening to you.
I really appreciate what you're doing, man. What you're doing,
Yeah.
bridging the gap between the Caribbean and Africa, mostly Kenya.
Yeah.
And then what you're doing for Jamaicans, you know.
Yeah.
It's like home for us. I feel so comfortable. I can
Yeah.
eat my food here.
Uh-huh.
And you know what I mean?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So just
Yeah.
Kenya is really a big deal.
Yeah.
I want the entire Caribbean to know that and Africa is the new trend, is the new frontier.
Uh-huh.
You know, there, show up and pull up.
Show up and pull up.
Yeah, so this restaurant family is like a food app restaurant. We
Yeah.
don't know we are building thing.
Yeah.
So we just have to build it out until we outgrow the space.
Yeah.
Until we go to like fine dine. What
Yeah.
I want to see, I want to see a nice fine dine Jamaican restaurant, nice
Fine dining.
ambience,
Yeah.
and a stage where we can have live music.
Yeah.
And you know, people can come and have a vibes and get a taste of the culture, the food, and the music,
Mm-hmm.
and everything.
Yeah.
So that's the future. But we start small and we expect to get big. So
Yeah, man.
check us out on all, food apps, Whole Food, Lover, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? And Uber Eats.
Uber Eats. Yeah, I can see yourself a Jamaican jersey.
Yeah, man, Jamaican
So you-
jersey.
Yeah. You represent Jamaica.
Yeah, man, by always.
Yeah. So family, here is where we're gonna nyam our food.
Yeah.
And you can see my sister, she's very, very, yeah? How you feeling? How you feeling being here and you wanna nyam some food?
I'm feeling so good. I'm feeling so hungry. I've seen a certain picture of food on the laptop and I felt so hungry.
Oh, this one.
This is like the vegan
I can't wait.
section.
I can't wait.
If you want to eat the vegan section, you can eat the vegan section.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can go with them.
Yeah, I can see.
Yes, and it's such a nice place.
Yes,
If
a
you
nice
just
place.
want somewhere to chill and just have your food in peace,
All right.
don't forget to come here.
Okay, have a seat, have a seat, have a seat.
Hey.
Have a seat.
What y'all eat?
Oi. Yeah, man. So we are here.
You're picking up the Jamaican slang there one by
Yeah,
one.
one by one. Yeah.
Yeah, family. So
That's
this
Bob Marley,
restaurant,
right?
Guys,
Yeah.
We show you guys what we do. We don't hide food from you.
Yeah.
Show you the real. We show when you go to the market how it's been prepared.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? It's a clean place.
Yeah.
And as you know, as Caribbean people, our thing has to be clean. You know
Yeah.
what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we say cleanliness is next to godliness.
Yes.
There's a time I posted a video.
Yeah.
I mean, Jamaicans told me that like if your house is clean, they cannot eat from
yeah,
there.
Yeah, you know, that's,
So-
Jamaicans,
yeah.
they're very like, Jamaicans very hard for please when it come on to food. So, Jam
Yeah.
we have to get it right. Have to
Yeah.
put the culture on top. We can't come here and flop.
Yeah, man. So the Jamaican culture, cleanliness is a must.
Yeah, it's a must. It's a must.
All right.
Somebody like them come and they must scrutinize a place.
So guys, we're here with my sister, our last one, and we're waiting, we're waiting for Jamaican food, man. Her first time.
So what they want to
Yeah.
try today?
There's a time I tried the whole platter.
Yeah.
Jack chicken, curry goat, plantain. But now there's somebody who told me I should try because my favorite was oxtail. So someone told me I should try curry
goat.
Is it curry goat or goat curry?
Curry goat.
Curry goat. I should try curry goat with rice and peas. So that's what I want to do.
Yeah,
My
man.
sister, she also tried oxtail.
Yes.
Today we are trying curry goat, right?
Yeah.
Today you're trying my inspired food. Because,
Okay.
everybody inspired to cook different.
Oh, yeah.
For me, I actually try to get it. Oh, my grandmother used to cook it back in the days.
Yeah.
So you'll taste something different
Yeah.
from all the Jamaican food you taste.
Yeah.
In Kenya. So, look out for that and look out for a difference
Yeah.
in actually,
Also, it is something inspired by you. The
Yes,
Jamaican
inspired, yeah.
style, but inspired by you.
Inspired
So,
by-
you've taken it to the next level
Yeah, take it to
by
the
your
next-
own self.
I add my own little spice and way to it and stuff.
Yeah, my little spice.
Yeah, I add my own spice and thing, yeah.
All right. You're waiting, man. You're feeling at home. How are you feeling? You've seen the Bob Marley picture? Yeah, he's an icon. He's an icon representing
Yeah.
all over the world, man. Yeah, man.
Bob Marley is amazing.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we are just here waiting to nyam some food with my sister in the new Jamaican vegan restaurant. I was there at the time when it was open, but that time it was at night. It was not operational. But now
Yeah,
today
yeah.
we are here to nyam the food, right?
Yeah.
If you're a Jamaican in Kenya, this is the name of the restaurant. Authentic Jamaican food, 100%
Vegan,
vegan.
yeah. Authentic.
MSG-free goodness.
Yeah.
Oh, but they, yeah.
Yeah, you see the
Yeah.
I told you.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah. This, yeah, I'm a member. Yeah, man, people can see.
You are a member of the
vegan.
premium level.
Yeah, and then you can see also the shirt is from here.
Yeah, Jamaican.
I think you tell me your size, then next time I'll take for you one. You need the
Yeah.
green one or the yellow one?
The yellow one looks cute.
Ah, I know you like,
Let me see if I can
yeah.
find a small for you.
Yeah.
Have them in the bag. Let's take a thumbnail for I want to go live
All
on
right.
YouTube. Live from the restaurant.
Yeah, man. So today we are doing curry goat. Yeah?
This one for me.
Give me a little more. Huh? Give me a little more. Give me a little,
Come on. Sides,
Yeah.
give me a little more.
oh, sides, give
Drinks,
me a
sip
the
the
culture.
culture.
Drinks, sip the culture, me people.
The culture.
Drink, sip the culture, me people. Sides, give me a little more. Yeah, man. May I speak chat part for today? Yeah, man. We are full
This
Jamaica. Sweet things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sweet things. Ital vibes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ital, I think mostly is for the the Rastafarians.
Yeah,
Item?
Rastafarians.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, for people who don't really eat meat, so that's the vegan side.
Oh, the vegan. Ah, yeah.
The vegan side.
Oh, that's why it's just the name, the vegan Jamaican.
Yeah, the vegan
Yeah.
Jamaican.
And she was asking, why vegan Jamaica? Do you only like prepare
Because
vegan?
They are vegan.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that's kind of confusing to people. But for me, when I'm doing business,
Yeah.
I like to do things that I can enjoy.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
want to tour around Africa, I create jam tours Africa.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm like a vegan eating, I don't really, and before I came to Africa, I never used to eat meat. But when I come here and I see how freshly meat cut and, you know what I mean, I eat
Yeah.
a little, I know, you know what I mean, I'm starting a restaurant. And most that's where people come in, they don't like to eat a lot of meat.
Ah, yeah.
So I try to actually bridge the gap, and for people who don't actually, you know what I mean,
Yeah, yeah.
like
Oh,
meat,
don't also eat
they
meat.
can get a chance.
So if you don't eat the meat, you can still come to Jamaican restaurant.
Yeah, you
and
can
get
still-
the Ital, the
Ital,
vegan.
yeah.
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, man. So then, this is your first time meeting a Jamaican?
No, no. At a Jamaican restaurant, it's my first time. You don't remember when the last time you brought for me oxtail?
But I'm saying meeting a Jamaican.
Yes.
Oh, the
yes.
first
So
time.
it's the first Jamaican?
Oh, yes.
Ah.
Meeting. Oh, I've had. It's my first time eating.
No, meeting a Jamaican.
Meeting. my
Also, you're
first
like
time.
the first Jamaican is meeting.
It's my first time meeting a Jamaican.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So, yeah, sooner or later we want to organize a trip
Yeah, yeah.
to Jamaica.
Yeah, yeah.
That would be the next.
Yeah,
the next
that
thing.
should be big, man.
But there's a good relationship between Kenyans and Jamaicans.
So much,
very-
so much.
so good. Yeah, yeah.
Especially like you've been here. Is there like a good relationship with Kenyans and Jamaica?
Yeah, man, a good relationship.
Oh,
And we
yeah.
have so much similarity and stuff.
Ah, yeah.
It's
Yeah,
even after Vibes was released from prison, amongst the first country was giving shout out to his Kenya.
Yeah.
Because he has
yeah.
a strong fan base
Yeah,
here.
yeah, yeah. A very big fan base. But most Jamaican artists have got a lot of fan base in Kenya.
Yes.
Yeah. Like Kenya, we celebrate Jamaica more. Because their songs.
Like Conscious adopted the Kenyan name, Conscious
Yeah.
Otieno.
Yeah, Kenya was given a Conscious was given a Kenya name.
Conscious Otieno.
Yeah. You know. Waiting for them things, man.
Yeah, them
Yeah.
sweet things.
Today we are yam, them food, our belly have to be full, you know. Feel flavor turn up. Feel flavor turn up.
The camera up on the back. Feel flavor turn up.
Yeah, put the camera there.
Yeah.
Feel flavor turn up.
Over there. Feel flavor turn up.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah, the shirt is written like that, man.
Everything on this menu is just mouth watering.
Ah, so you wanna eat everything, but they want you to
No,
eat
no, I'm not eating everything.
rice and peas.
And goat curry.
Rice and peas
Curry goat.
and curry goat.
Curry goat, yeah. There's a Jamaican who told me that you have to be specific.
Yeah.
Like not goat curry, curry goat.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
So ladies and gentlemen, the food it's almost arriving, but we have to wash our hands, man. Yeah man. You know, we've been waiting for long.
The
It's been a
moment
long
of
time.
truth is here.
We don't have
Reggae
to
music
time like
again.
this.
Play the music
Again, the Jamaican food
It's been a
again.
long, we wait. Yeah, we've really waited. Yeah, thanks, man. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, we were just washing our hands. Yeah, because in as much as we're gonna use the spoons, but sometimes, yeah, it looks yummy. Can they really see it? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, so the curry goat is here. There is an tomato there, rice and peas. So, ladies and gentlemen, you can see my curry goat, rice and peas, and some vegan. Oh, man. I'm salivating.
Same. I can't wait.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
You know, every time you say Jamaican food, you just want to start eating.
It looks delicious.
Yeah. I just want to start with the,
Curry.
Yeah, with the goat curry. Jamto, Ramesh, you are the best. Trust me.
I am the best.
Trust me.
What you say? I am the best?
Yeah. Because you told me I should test something that you inspired.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's awesome.
And the meat is so tender. Literally falling off the bone.
So guys, curry goat, rice and peas, and my vegan. But I'll finish the vegan after. So right.
So we say African, we say now this food tastes different from any other Jamaican food you taste.
Bro, you're a good cook, trust me. Trust
No, the
me.
chef is a good cook, not me.
Oh man.
Just inspired.
The
and
chef
Yeah.
has done a good
Yeah.
job.
You've done a really good job. I like it. Oh, you've done a good job, man. Miss Spirit to take you.
It's so yummy.
It's nice. You like it, right?
I love it.
Ladies and gentlemen, you can see how we're enjoying, man. Even I don't want to talk, man. I think at this moment, it will be difficult for me to choose. The person who suggested that I should try like curry goat alone, he was right. I'm not lying to you.
Oh yeah.
I'm not lying to you.
And the meat
Hope
is
she's
so
watching.
flavorful.
Yeah. There's a lady who told me, try curry goat with rice and peas, man. Ladies and gentlemen, we are nyam curry goat with my sister. Yeah? Our picnic. Unasikiaje? The food is ready?
I don't want to talk.
You wanna talk?
The flavor is so nice.
You like it?
I love it. And then if you scoop some rice and you mix it with the stew and the curry,
Let me show them what you are eating. Yeah, man.
take the rice, please.
So
Then you
basically, we are
scoop it,
nyamming the
yeah?
food.
That's how you do it. That's how the Kenyans show you guys how to eat Jamaican food.
Let me also eat the tomato.
For tummy. Let me taste the vegetable.
If you're not trying Jamaican food, you are missing out, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not lying to you.
Missing out.
You should train your tongue to also, taste some things. Try different cuisine. The Jamaican cuisine is on another level. I think this is why the World Geographic has mentioned it many times to be like the #1 cuisine,
Yeah.
so
International cuisine.
international,
Yeah.
right? So for like people to sit down and say Jamaican food is the best, they're not lying, man. They're not lying,
They're
man.
not lying. They know what they're talking about.
I walked down in curry goat already.
So sweet, man.
You guys are missing out. You guys don't know what you guys are missing. Let me show
If you're not tasting Jamaican food, you don't know the tingo.
Yeah.
You don't know the tingo. If you're not tasting Jamaican food, man, try
Try
it.
some, please.
Them don't know the thing
Vegetable.
about it's real.
And the taste
I have to take the bone marrow, you know.
out of this one. I got the bone marrow the first time.
You've taken yours?
Oh, it was amazing. That was the
Inside,
first
support
flavor
what's
that hit
inside.
my
Yeah,
mouth.
that's inside, yeah.
Yes.
Flavor that's inside.
Yes,
Yeah,
that is inside.
Very nice.
Oh, man. Me like it, you know. Me first finish the bone marrow.
Me love it.
You love it?
Also mixing it with potato is doing justice to it.
Oh, there's also the potato, yeah.
Yeah,
And the carrots?
amazing. You know, I'm also a great potato lover. So also the presence of potato is making me.
What about the rice and peas?
That is rice and peas alone. Rice and peas alone.
Rice and peas. You scoop the rice and peas. Then you pass it through the stew.
And then when you make the rice and peas, there's a way you steam it or like a...
You can
Because-
taste the flavor.
Yeah, when you're eating it, you can taste there is... Sindio? Sindio
And it
means...
just tastes
Yes.
like ordinary rice and peas.
Yeah, there is something in...
That's rice and
There is
peas.
something
There's
in
a
it.
secret.
There is something in it.
Yeah. Yeah, man, you know, because we use like the native coconut juice, I give it that flavor, so you can even eat the rice alone. Yeah,
So the vegetables are also prepared the Jamaican way.
the Jamaican one.
Oh,
yeah.
the vegan.
Yeah, man. And that's terere, callaloo.
Okay, that's it, eh?
Yeah, terere, yeah. You know, we have terere in Jamaica too, we call it callaloo.
Oh, Kalalu. Oh, I've heard people saying Kalalu.
Yeah.
It's this one.
Yes, this
Oh, Kalalu. A lot of videos I've seen.
Call it terere.
You know when people say Kalalu, I think Kalalu is like a type of meat.
Yeah.
So it's vegetable.
Yeah, it's terere.
Oh,
Terere.
callaloo.
Yeah, it's terere.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Semea nyam, curry goat, rice and peas, and Kalalu.
Yeah.
Me like it.
Let me know also indulge in the tomato.
So this is basically our dinner, Jamaican food tonight. We're not cooking anything at home.
Yeah.
We're eating here
Right.
until our belly is full.
Yes. Here's some potatoes. Can you see the potatoes? You mix with the rice and peas and you yam.
And you nyam, you like it? Oh, it's been a long time. Reggae music again. So when a Jamaican is cooking, they take their time, right?
Yeah, we take the time. I'll make sure that we get all the
They dip.
seasoning. Everything right.
This is the last meat. After finishing the vegetable, I will use it to wash my mouth.
What you down?
That's what we say in Kenya, you know. Like you normally put the meat,
Yeah, meat,
and then
yeah.
after,
Yeah,
let's say you're eating rice.
That
I don't know if it happens even in Jamaica.
In Jamaica, when we're eating,
Yeah.
you leave the meat for last.
Yeah.
In Jamaica, we have things
Also in
called-
Jamaica?
There's fried chicken.
Oh.
Have you ever tasted fried chicken before in Jamaica? Well, yeah, maybe we'll make it one of these days. But fried chicken is a known thing in Jamaica. And every Sunday, you have to have rice and peas in Jamaica. Rice and
Or
peas
Jack
are
Sunday.
must. Yeah, every Sunday, rice and peas. That's what every Jamaican eat with fish, oxtail, fried chicken, curry goat. You know what I mean? Yeah, either or either.
So ladies and gentlemen, we enjoying, man. Me like it. And when I finish this, I'll wash my mouth with the curry goat. That's why I've put this
And you've
piece.
saved the one with the bone marrow.
Yeah, with the bone marrow, you know.
You're a strategist.
Any Jamaican juice, like sorrel? You've got sorrel?
Yeah, man, I'm sorry. Let me get
Oh.
it. I'm sorry.
Man,
I'm Jamaican.
the Jamaican food is not complete without sorrel.
We can
Yeah.
pour this in
So
the
now this
glass.
one is there, the last one. You know, I kept it. Oh yeah, give us sorrel.
Glass. You want two or one? I want you guys. Two is fine.
Two.
Let's pour it in one of those glasses. Jamaican sorrel.
Jamaican sorrel.
Show them the sorrel.
So yeah. So we also have the sorrel here,
Yeah.
and they're being poured in the glass. Yeah, man. How you feeling? We feel hungry, man. Yeah, then the sorrel looks, wow. The sorrel. So ladies first.
Yeah, sure.
At this, guys, man, this food is so sweet, man. Did I finish on that?
Look on our plate, the plate done.
To wash.
Man,
I just want to wash my mouth.
guys, guys, look at my plate, man. I finished literally everything. You know? Yeah, man.
In Jamaica, when you're eating with your sister,
Yeah.
you tell them to look for something up in the sky and pick out the meat.
Oh, yeah, and then you pick up the meat. My sister's plate is almost done.
You know your sister always,
My plate is on, yeah.
you always finish eat and leave her.
Yeah.
To end.
Kanalu, can I help you?
Maybe one.
Yeah, I mean. Guys, let me help my sister. She's my sister. Let me help her now Jamaican food.
In the family, we help each other.
She need more help?
No.
Alright. Help me the one, I'll serve it.
Oh, sure.
You said that you were to ask Jamaicans a question. Is there any question you want to ask them? So far, so
I
good.
want to know the secret
The secret of?
behind the taste
Uh-huh.
and the tenderness in the meat.
All right. So,
secret.
my sister's asking the secret behind Jamaican food, tenderness and the.
Well, the secret is that the spice and how we actually do it. Most of the stuff that we do, we marinate and
Yeah,
seasoning.
Ladies first. So we are also getting sorrel. Oh man.
Today is Christmas.
Yeah. Today, anytime you go to a
Well, you
Jamaican
know,
restaurant, it's
in
always
Jamaica-
Christmas.
Cheers.
Cheers, me
You know,
people.
in Jamaica, this is what we're drinking, sorry.
Oh.
Drink that and
You need
Christmas. Christmas.
I'm too hungry. Just drink like that.
In Jamaica, we now take this in Christmas time.
The sorrel?
I love the taste.
Oh, like sorrel you do it in
Christmas, yeah, in Christmas
during,
time.
oh yeah.
Christmas time, that's when we do sorry.
Oh man.
It has a sour, sweet taste.
Yeah.
My type.
I think I was also thirsty because I'm taking it too much. So we finished curry goat, rice and peas, and now we are
And
we are
also
laying
need to
over.
tell us the secret of how they prepare the rice
Yeah.
and peas.
So in the comment section,
So
my
the rice and
sister,
peas
yeah,
family, as I
Yes.
said, rice and peas, you cook the peas, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Once you freshen your peas, then after you finish, you put your thyme, and you put your little, you know what I mean, garlic, scallion.
Oh, there's
we
also
call that
garlic.
spring onion, yeah. You
Oh.
put that in, then you add the coconut juice. So dry coconut, you have to get the juice, put it inside, you
Okay.
add your rice, and you cook. Simple as
So
that.
cooking rice and peas is not simple. Like it's a process, right?
It's a process.
Because in
yes,
Kenya you
yeah.
just cook
Yeah,
rice.
yeah,
Yeah,
just
we
cook
cook
rice.
rice,
As you just put, you take the rice,
You
put
just
it in
boil the
water,
rice.
boil it. But
Yeah,
here
yeah.
there is coconut, garlic, coconut.
Garlic,
Scallion.
thyme, and
Like you dry the
scallion.
coconut,
Yeah, the dry coconut, and you use
You
that.
sque-
you squeeze it,
then you take the water.
then you take the juice.
Or the water.
Yeah, the juice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you put inside.
I'm enjoying, guys.
Another question.
Yeah. Oh, I think they've taken the plate. I wanted to ask about a certain spice, but the plate has gone. I forgot.
Oh, there's another Jamaican spice you showed us. I didn't show my. Tell me
This
that.
one, eh?
This one is from Jamaica.
Yeah, man, this oxtail.
Also, there's also yeah. This is called
Oxtail
spice.
Spice.
Carjos. Oxtail seasoning.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. One day I'll try and prepare my own oxtail, then I'll come for this.
Yeah.
And the other spice? There's another spice there.
Better pack.
Better part. So this one you've taken, you took direct from Jamaica.
Yeah, I ship it. Yeah,
Oh, you
this one,
shipped it?
I think it's a subscriber who's brought these things for us.
Oh yeah.
Subscriber, they brought these things. So guys, when you come in, and you come to Kenya,
Or bring Jamaican items.
bring Jamaican items for jam tours. We
Yeah, man.
appreciate.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how we get
That
the.
food was
That's
so
how,
delicious.
that's how we get the food and the taste. Yeah.
And I think the reason as to why you need items from Jamaica, you know, if you look at here, you've written authentic Jamaican food.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you also need products authentic from Jamaica.
Jamaica, yeah, to give it that Jamaican flavor and thing. Yeah.
Yeah, man. So we're feeling aire. We've eaten Jamaican food.
And we are full.
How was the food? How was the experience?
I'll give it a 20 out of 10.
Let me put it here now. How was the experience?
20 out
Let me
of
tell you
10.
guys, I'll give that food a 20 out of 10.
20
From the
out of 10?
Yes.
So it was
It has
10.
broken the scale.
Oh, so it goes.
Yeah. It has broken
Yeah,
the
man.
scale, you know? From the moment I took the first bite of the curry, you know, I saw my brother starting the curry and I said, you know what?
Yeah.
I won't even start with the rice. Let me just start with this curry. Because I've eaten the rice and peas before.
Yeah.
The taste in my mouth, my mouth was watering and it was soft. The first meat that I took literally
Yeah.
had a bone on it.
But it was
Inside
soft.
my mouth, just
Yeah,
with my
it
was
tongue,
soft.
It was
and
very
the meat
soft, yeah.
fell off the bone right away.
And the
It
bone
was
marrow.
soft, and then I sat on the bone marrow. Hey, Jesus, it was amazing.
G's and peas. It's an expression.
So you
And the sorrel,
give the food
And we have
20
this.
out of 10.
20 out of 10.
Yes, it has broken the
So
scale,
it has
that
gone
is.
10 out of 10, and then the other 10 now you.
Yeah, so we have doubled it.
Yeah.
And right
But
now,
Jamtos, you're cooking nice.
Right
Yeah,
now,
man, I
I'm
appreciate,
confused.
man.
I love,
can
like,
actually-
yeah. In fact, the person who told me to try like rice and peas and curry goat, she was right. So right now, for real, if I'm asked, because I've always, my favorite is always oxtail.
Yeah.
But now, like, I'm told.
What you need to, you to come and try. Next week you come and try oxtail. You come and try the jerk chicken.
Oh, oxtail from
then you
here.
can also try a vegan meal here. So there's 4, you need to come back 4 times.
So I need to be back.
So you need to come back. You need to come back again.
So yeah.
Oxtail and rice and peas
Uh-huh.
and greens.
Yeah.
Then you need to come back for jerk chicken and rice and peas and greens. Then you need to come back for a vegan meal.
All right.
With chickpeas, mashed green plantain, all of this stuff.
So like I still have 4 more visits here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
4 more visits.
Oh man,
Trips.
and I like it. As long as I'm coming back to a Jamaican restaurant, I'm okay, because today, you know, the first time I was tasting Jamaican food, I was in Jamrock, and I was given like a platter that had all the food, you know, the jack chicken, oxtail, curry goat, there was the plantain, you know, and the wings. You also gave me some, you know.
Yeah.
So like I had a collection of different food, you know.
Yes.
So I've decided to like test them
Narrow down.
separately, narrow down. So today I've taken the curry goat and rice and peas. It was perfect. It was
And
perfect.
what is the name of that vegetable?
It's a kalalu
Kalalu, yeah.
and kalalu. So we becoming Jamaican. So you can tell me what I should try next. So what am I trying next?
So you're trying jerk chicken, rice and peas with oxtail or curry goat gravy. You know what I mean, with greens.
Okay.
Next you're trying oxtail, because you tried elsewhere, we need to try it here.
So I think next time I'll come along, right? Or you also?
Hey, surely.
So you also wanna come?
Currently, guys, I'm still confused.
Yeah.
I'm in a state of
Confusion.
confusion.
Yeah. About.
I don't know which one to pick between the oxtail and the curry.
Oh,
which one
because-
is my favorite?
No, but you have to come for the next.
Because the
No.
previous time I had the oxtail and it was amazing.
Yeah.
Today I've had the curry and it's... Please don't leave me behind.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we've just finished nyamming the Jamaican food, and we appreciate coming here. Like, our day has just been made, man,
Yes,
for real.
Absolutely.
So maybe our Jamaican brother should come also next to us. Oh, sorry.
Amen.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, family. So, you know what I mean, much respect and manners to, you know what I mean, our brother here, African Walk.
Yeah.
He's like the ambassador in Kenya and showcased in Jamaica and the culture and, you know what I mean, all the news and updates and all of that. You see what I'm saying, family? So make sure when you come to Kenya and you book your flight, you book up with Jam Tours, you know what I mean? I do a whole lot of, you know what I mean, stuff here that can help you to get settled. And, you know, I can give you a tour, make it feels like you're in Jamaica. Based on my experience in Kenya, I give that same experience to you. And I said, guys, when you come to Africa, worse if you come to Nairobi, you want to see Nairobi from a foreigner perspective. You know what I mean? So you doing that, you feel at home, you feel safe, because you're with somebody that, you know what I mean, you can relate to, you can have small talks with and good talks with. Yeah, family. Yeah. So let's go, you know what I mean? You know, like, share, and comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend. All right? Jam Tours Africa. Go to jamtoursafrica.com and follow us on Instagram, the vegan Jamaican _ K.
Vegan Jamaican.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
And please on the comment section tell us your favorite Jamaican food. Right now we've tested, I've taken curry goat separately, and I'm torn in between curry goat and oxtail. So tell us your favorite. So I was with my little sister, she has really enjoyed.
I've enjoyed it.
So me people,
Fun.
until next time. When I say what under me nose, I'm out.
I'm out.
I'm out. What under my nose? This.
I'm out. Oh, it says I'm out.
Which is your nose, not under your mouth. What's under your mouth?
I'm out.
What's under your nose?
okay.
Now your mouth.
I always hear you saying, what under me nose, I'm out.
I'm out.
But your mouth is literally under your nose.
Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, until next time, goodbye. It was nice enjoying and yamming the Jamaican food with me sister. Next
Yes.
time, I've told the Jamaican friend, because now I'm trying rice and peas and something separate. So next time it's gonna be rice and peas and oxtail alone, you know, and some gravy, right?
Some
Then the
gravy,
other time,
yeah.
rice and peas, jack chicken. Yeah.
So one love, bless, Jamaica, we gone.
All right. Little mommy people.
Bye-bye.
All right.